Welcome to Sugar and Spice Cook with Huma. For today's recipe, we need the following ingredients. 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes cut into chunks, 1 small onion diced, 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 4 to 5 hard-boiled eggs, 1½ teaspoon of garlic paste and 1½ teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, 1 to 1½ teaspoons of dried kasuri methi, which is known fenugreek leaves in English. We're going to need 1½ teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala Powder, 1 teaspoon of Cayenne pepper powder. However, I am using Kashmiri pepper powder, which I am using about 2 teaspoons. 10 whole black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch or a half teaspoon of Ajwain, known as anise seeds. It's optional. 1½ or 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And we're going to need some cooking oil. I'm going to add some cooking oil in my pot. Now I'm adding a chopped onion. And I'm going to cook it until it turns golden brown. And in the meantime, I'm going to add cumin seeds. The onions are golden brown. Now you add chopped tomatoes. In the meantime, we're going to add ginger garlic paste, tomato paste, and we're going to add all of our spices. Mix well. We're going to fry this masala or base or mixture until pretty much all the moisture from tomato is gone, which is going to take around 5 to 6 minutes on high flame. Now I'm going to add the potatoes along some water, about 3 to 3½ cups of water. I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium-low heat until the potatoes are fully cooked. The potatoes are fully cooked. Now at this stage, I'm going to add the dried fenugreek leaves, some green chilies, optional, along green coriander or cilantro is also optional. Let it cook for another 5 minutes on low heat. Your Aloo Anday ka Saalan or potato curry is ready. You can serve it with plain basmati rice, naan bread or chapati.